Hello, welcome everyone to maths class. In the last class, we have learnt about some special kinds of quadrilaterals, and today we are going to learn some more or the remaining special types of quadrilaterals. We have learnt about trapezium, kite, parallelogram, and today let us have what is a rhombus, rectangle, square, and what are their properties. Okay, so today's special type of quadrilateral is rhombus. What is a rhombus? What are its properties? Let us have a parallelogram in which all sides are equal is a rhombus. That means a rhombus has got all the properties of a parallelogram. That's why instead of saying a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel, equal and all, we can say a parallelogram in which all the sides are equal is a rhombus. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal is a rhombus. That means a rhombus has got all the properties of a parallelogram. Along with the properties of parallelogram, some more extra properties they have. All the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. So let me name this as ABCD. In this figure ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC, and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to D. So ABCD is a rhombus. And what are the properties of a rhombus? Here, all sides are equal, already that is mentioned there, in which all sides are equal. Just like parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. So all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel, and in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Here also, in a rhombus also, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So this is the extra property. They not only bisect but also they are perpendicular to each other. If AC and BD, the two diagonals bisect each other at O, then OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD, and also AC is perpendicular to BD. That is what we say, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay? Now let us have some more special types of quadrilaterals. That is, now we have rhombus, now rectangle and square, they are left. Let us have rectangle. What is a rectangle and what are its properties? It is also a parallelogram. That means it also has got all the properties of a parallelogram. A parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degree. We can say all angles are equal. Each angle is 90 degree is a rectangle. So each angle is 90 degree. Okay. Let me name it as PQRS. Opposite sides are equal and parallel because it's a parallelogram and each angle is 90 degree. So PQRS is a rectangle. It has got all the properties of a parallelogram. That's why we have mentioned here as a parallelogram. Okay? In a parallelogram, the properties are opposite sides are equal and parallel. And all angles are equal. That is, each angle is 90 degree. All angles are equal, or we can say each angle is 90 degree. All angles are equal, or we can write all angles are right angles also we can write. Or each angle is right angle we can write. And here the diagonals bisect each other just like parallelogram. And they are equal. In a rectangle, the diagonals are equal and also they bisect each other. Just like a parallelogram, they bisect each other, but they are equal also. PR is equal to QS also. Okay? So along with parallelogram or along with the properties of parallelogram, rectangle has special properties. Each angle is 90 degree and the diagonals are equal. Now let us have a square. What is a square and what are its properties? It is a rectangle in which all sides are equal. Why I say here rectangle? Because a square has got all the properties of a rectangle. Not only the properties of a parallelogram, it has got all the properties of a rectangle. That's why a rectangle in which all sides are equal is a square. So in a square, all sides are equal. ABCD is a square. Here all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. And just like a parallelogram and rectangle, opposite sides are parallel. Not only opposite sides are equal, all the sides are equal. So here ABCD is a square. Now what are the properties of a square? Okay. All sides are equal. All angles are also equal. Or we can write all angles are right angles. Here also opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Angles, about angles and sides we have written. And here the diagonals are equal. The diagonals are equal because it's a rectangle. Equal. They not only bisect each other, they bisect each other at right angles, just like a rhombus. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. That means A square has got all the properties of a rhombus also. So, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC equal to OD because AC equal to BD, and also AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. So this is all about your special types of quadrilateral. The last class you have learned about 3 types, and today we have learned about other 3 types of special types of quadrilateral. So with this we have come to the end of special types of quadrilaterals. Thank you.